Interactive Investor IUK app. The pros, the cons. Interactive Investor IUK is one of the UK's leading investment platforms, but does the app live up to its reputation? Starting with the pros first, wide range of investments. You can trade stocks, ETFs, funds, and bonds all in one place. Second, research tools. The app provides market news, expert analysis, and screening tools to make informed decisions. Third, portfolio tracking. You can monitor performance, set alerts, and manage your investments efficiently. Now, the cons. One drawback is fees. While competitive for active traders, account and trading fees can be higher than other UK apps, especially for smaller investors. Another limitation, complexity. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the number of features and tools available. The surprising truth? Interactive Investor is best suited for serious investors who want control and extensive research, but casual investors might prefer simpler platforms. In conclusion, the pros: wide investment options, robust research tools, and portfolio tracking make it ideal for experienced UK investors. The cons: fees and complexity could challenge beginners.